Hello everyone, welcome to Busy Mallows. This time we are going to change the mirror for Hilux. So it's broken here and then this is now glued for the time being. So we're going to change this one with the new one. So this is the left hand side of the vehicle. We ordered the replace one from eBay. So let's change this. Okay, so first thing we need to remove this piece here. So this is the piece it's connected, so just remove these three. So now, okay, so we have three nuts here, so just remove these three nuts. That should remove the mirror from the other side. So let's remove that. Okay, so this was a bit different. So there was something here, so we have to just cut that one to match here. So we just cut that one. So now this should go inside and then just screw it from in. Everything's perfect. Yep.